Spectrum internet lagging and freezing, especially during gaming and streaming, is a common frustration. This usually happens due to a few key factors. First, Spectrum uses cable internet, which relies on shared bandwidth. During peak hours like evenings, many people using the internet at the same time can cause congestion, leading to lag and freezing. Secondly, outdated modems and routers can't handle the demands of modern internet use. If your equipment is older than 2018, it might be struggling. Also, Wi-Fi interference from other devices or distance from the router can weaken the signal. Finally, while less common, Spectrum might throttle your speeds if you've exceeded your data cap, though this is less prevalent than congestion issues. Start with the basics. Power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds. This often clears up temporary glitches. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they're secure. Run a speed test using Spectrum's app or a website like speedtest.net to see if you're getting the speeds you're paying for. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to the 5 GHz band for less interference, or consider using a wired Ethernet connection, which is much more stable, especially for gaming. For advanced users, log into your router's settings and enable Quality of Service (QoS) to prioritize gaming or streaming traffic. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support through their app or chat. They can run diagnostics and potentially identify external line issues that need a technician's attention. Keeping your modem router up to date and using wired connections when possible goes a long way.